Hey guys, today I would like to speak with you about the all-new MCD 180 GT Octox car. The car now is since a couple of months on the market, so maybe you also got already your hands on the car and driving around the track. And I want to give you now a quick look under my body shell, what I'm using, what option parts I'm using, my ESC servo battery engine setup, and yeah. There I want to give you a quick look under my body shell, and we are starting now. As you see here, I'm using the ultimate version of the Octox car. There's also available a pro version with the composite wishbone, composite hub, and honestly, of course there are differences because you don't have aluminum wishbones there, you have composite wishbones, but overall you don't need to buy the ultimate car. This is the high-end level spec, but sometimes the pro car is working better or similar to the ultimate car. So this is up to you what you want to use, and yeah, let's go forward. As you see here as an option part for the ultimate car, I use the brace for more flex on the rear. We used this brace last time in Leipzig at last race at the Euros there, because my car was feeling on the rear not so comfortable, and we tried this brace, and with this brace we generate more flex on the car, and it was more easier. The car was more easier to drive, it forgives more, and yeah, this is why we use this brace. The original brace on the ultimate car you see here with the lines, you have very less flex, so this can be good for very high grip tracks. So it all depends on the track what you are using for a stiffener brace there. And for the front as well, now at the moment I'm using the ultimate brace. There's also the pro brace, as you see here, also without the lines here for more flex. This all you can choose by yourself. This is a good option part for changing a setup with a very low cost, let's say like this, very easy. Yeah, then I'm using the rear weight here, and the rear weight looks like this. It's 30 grams, and at the beginning I was like, okay, what is 30 grams? But okay, in Leipzig it's very difficult track. It doesn't look like, but it is. We looking all the time for the right setup, and the car was not feeling balanced on the track. So then we decide, okay, we will test the weight on the rear, and it worked out very good. So there's a big difference. And okay, again, if you use this weight, this all the time depends on the track, so you cannot say on a basic setup use this weight. So okay, you can do for sure, but depends on the track level, track condition, you have to remove or make more weights in the car. Then we are using the 46 gear instead of the original 45 gear to have a different overall gear ratio. This is a good option part because then you have more options, more fine-tuning options for the gear ratio. My electronic setup here, I'm using the Hobbywing XR8 Plus G2S with the Hobbywing 2800 kV motor. This for me worked out perfectly, so I'm super happy with this combination. For sure I want to test with the Hobbywing XR8 Pro G3, but at the moment with this combination I'm super happy. On the servo side, I'm using my Power HD GTS6 servo, and as usual no problems at all, and I had crashes, and yeah, doesn't matter if it's cold, hot, raining, this servo all the time in also my other cars working very good. So if you want to have a very good combination with the speedo, with the engine and with the servo, you can go for Hobbywing and Power HD. It's super. Yeah, then I'm using here two 40x40 fans. these are actually from me, from SR Modellsport. And also here the heatsink bullet plugs. They are also from me, from SR Modellsport. So, and batteries. I don't like this topic. In the beginning, because we are also new in this class, so in the beginning I spoke with a couple of people and they tell me, Sven, you need to get LRP batteries, you need Intellect batteries, you need this battery, you need this battery, this brand is better. Yeah, as I told you, I don't like this topic. We was going for, as you see here, the LRP 9400 milliampere battery. They are working super, very good, so I'm super happy with them. But also these Intellect batteries, the 10,000 milliampere battery, they are working also super good, very, very good. So there will be no big difference between the batteries. There will be difference, of course, in life, how long you can drive the battery, and yeah, but overall you will not feel a big difference between, let's say, these two batteries, LRP and Intellect, because they are working both very, very good. So yeah, I don't have other batteries tested yet, so I cannot tell if, I don't know, different brand is better than these two. So this is only my opinion, what I know. And yeah, that's it. This is how I drive my Octox car at the moment. I will go on with a video series how to assemble a differential right, how to assemble the car right, the shocks, etc. So this will follow very soon. I hope you enjoy. If you have some question, please let me know. I'm open for a chat. I'm always happy if some people send me messages because they have question of the car. Doesn't matter which car is it, from MCD, and especially here it's a complete new car. So if you have some question, feel free to ask. Not be too shy. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.